Today we're going to change the air filter of this vehicle. The airbox has two metal clips. Simply push it down. And you can take the top cover away. This part is connected into this rubber tube or the air intake tube. This is the air filter. And look how dirty it is. The lower air intake box is also filthy. Make sure to wipe and clean the area. You can also use a vacuum cleaner too. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the new and old air filter. This thing is too much. Put the new air filter in. Return the upper cover. Make sure to lock those two metal clips. And you're good to go. Very simple and easy to do maintenance for your vehicle. I hope you find this video helpful. If it was, subscribe now for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.